Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Yearning and Manifestation from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. Yearning and Manifestation. A yearning is the beginning to life's every desire. Every desire has a means of manifestation. If we look within and persist, the path will be shown step by step as we march forward with our vision at the forefront. Challenges come and go as we tread the path of our divine mission. With every challenge comes seasons, growth, and newfound romance. A simple persistence and simple optimism with a sturdy vision always brings about the best outcome and joy out of life. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. If you are able, close your eyes and think about the good in your life, right now or yesterday, anytime. Anything that you can think of just pops in your head. I am grateful for my wife. I am grateful for my home. I am grateful for everybody listening. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.